Hi, I'm Kerry Lord from TOFT. This video forms part of a series to accompany the Edwards Crochet kits, patterns and books. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a slightly different way of starting off a project, so starting off a round. This is an alternative to the DC6 in a ring start that I use most commonly. It's actually to create an oval start, so it's used on Cedric the Crab, Cat the Sea Turtle and Hope the Whale for now. So what I'm going to do is start off as I would normally do with a slip knot. So take the end of your yarn, wrap that around your hand and loop through so that you've got a slip knot and pop that onto your crochet hook. What we're then going to do, so what the instruction says is chain 6 stitches. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 stitches. Now what we're doing, instead of as we normally would in this kind of circumstance, we would be creating a ring or creating a circle. We're actually going to crochet back down one side of this chain and then up the other. So we've started from an oval point to create a different kind of shape. So a shape like a turtle shell. So my first instruction now on round 1 is to double crochet 4, then double crochet 2 into the next stitch along one side of the chain. So I'm going to go into this stitch first, so this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to double crochet 2 into this last stitch. 1, 2, so that's me double crochet 4, double crochet 2 into next stitch along one side of chain. Then I'm going to just turn that over, so my other side of the chain is here at the top, and then I'm going to double crochet 4 and then double crochet 2 into the next stitch along the other side of the chain. So I'm going to go in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then double crochet 2 into that one. So what you would do at this point here, where you finish off that kind of start, is you'd put your stitch marker in to mark where you are, and that becomes your round. You continue to work the same way around from that point, just setting off with a slightly elongated start from your normal ring.